Hey guys, I am super excited, I guess you can tell. That young gentleman over here is Chris Browne. And well, I guess many of you know Ted Baker, that is employee number one. And he stayed with Ted Baker for about 30 years. So who in the world knows more about branding, about good products, about everything, if it's not Chris Browne? And he's open to sit here with me, try the cream. Chris, I'll shut up. Do me the favor, what do you think about this as a real product, branding and anything, a retail expert?
Genuinely, and this is going to sound like some kind of put up, I'm wearing it now. I've actually put the eye cream on here, the rest of the moisturiser all over my face. We've been out in the Caribbean, so it's been very hot, getting very sunburnt. You can see my skin looks great, and the best bit is I'm 60 years old, so the 30-year career he's talking about.
I didn't believe it.
I am actually 60 years old, so, and then on top of that, smells great, nothing too heavy, nothing too strong. Beautiful smell, beautiful scent, just very impressive product. And I've had the pleasure, as I said, to meet Sebastian.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure on two counts.
It is, and I do have the hope. Oh, do you believe I'll get this into retail? We'll work on the branding a little bit, the packaging and everything.
Yeah, a tweak here and there, which we talked about, a few changes, but the crucial thing, which I didn't realise when I put it on, but no water. No water. Every other product has water in it. This doesn't have water in it. That's the key thing, and that impressed me hugely. So I'd be a customer for sure.
Fantastic! You get a discount for that, Chris.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. It's a pleasure to have you here, and you speaking for me, lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Great stuff.